our chief guest, Mr. Binu Kalyanan, my dear parents and my dear colleagues, welcome to all who is present here. Our special welcome to chief guest of the day, Mr. Binu Kalyanan, sir. Welcome to the function. With my delight, now I invite our principal, Mr. Shakil Manathuri, sir, for his beautiful work.
Good morning, everybody. Today, this is our first parents training session, KG session in our school, Darul Aman English Medium School. First of all, I welcome you all the people who came for to listening the teaching of the words our beloved guest, Mr. Binu Kalyanan, and he is a person experienced many classes he conducted, not only in India, abroad also. He was a guest faculty in Kerala Institute of Local Administration. He is going as a guest, and Middle East, Thailand, Singapore. This outside countries also he is visited, and he gave his importance, valuable trainings. So I welcome you as a principal. I welcome Mr. Binu Kalyanan for to give the instruction to our KG section teachers. And like that, at the absence of our managing director Anwar Ali Khan sir, and he gave the permission for to starting the meeting. So after his absence also, he may be thanks for making this kind of the programs. And like this, my colleagues, vice principal, and all other teachers, KG section teachers, all other beloved parents, welcome you all. Especially I want to give a big thanks for to our respective person, beloved person, Mr. Gokul sir. He is one of the person this year giving the books and all the other materials to the KG section in our school this year. Again, thank you, Mr. Gokul Prasad. Thank you for you. And this kind of the impressed people is very remarkable. If I want to tell about this, our beloved guest, and I heard from outside also, he is very capable for to give the classes. This continuously he is giving the class, especially in the academic or the educational field. So government section and CBSE state, he is giving the instruction is for the betterment of our education system. So unfortunately, I want to tell, I don't know the climate is bad or the rainy season. I don't know the children. We have one